welcome back to Sun's Arts. Today's video would be like to give a new look to one of my night lamps, night shade. The reason I picked this project is because it's like broken. If you can see here, this has ripped off, and also some of the surfaces doesn't look nice. So I started by applying some flowers that I got from Dollar Tree. I got like two bunches of yellow, one bunch of yellow and then one bunch of orange flowers. So I'm planning to stick the flowers and the leaves around it and give a new look to it. So let's get into the video. So here I'm going to show how I'm going to stick the flowers. So basically I just ripped off the plastic stuff around the flowers like this, and I've done the same in the previous project of mine for the shadow box. I'm applying the same technique, so by removing the plastic stuff in the flowers and just stick them using the little bit of hot glue like that. Make sure it doesn't burn your hand like that. And I'm going to prepare all the flowers. Basically I use like two bunches of yellow and one bunch of orange flowers. So I'm going to do the same for all of the flowers, and then I'm going to show how I'm going to stick to it. I'll come back. And while we were gone, I prepared all the flowers like this. I attached all the flowers, removing the plastic parts, and then I attached the set of a leaf also on the back like this. And I did for all the orange, maybe pinkish orange I can say, and yellow flowers like this. And now I'm going to stick it to this and show how it will look. And there you have it, it's done. I stuck all the flowers. I had more of yellow flowers, so I wanted to give like yellow and pop up like pink or pinkish orange flowers to pop up in the middle. And this is how it looks after it is being stuck. And I'm going to put it on my night lamp and show you how it looks. And there you go, guys. This is the final look of the night lamp with the decorated shade with the flowers, and I think it came out really well. I hope you like it like as I like it. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in next video.